Good Thursday morning. Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for October 9th, 2025. Mid-level water vapor imagery this morning shows cold and strengthening low pressure centered west of the Pacific Northwest coast with swift southwest flow across NorthOps. IR and true color visible satellite imagery with composite radar overlaid shows lots of low clouds across central and western portions of the area, with bands of higher clouds as well. There isn't much in the way of reflectivity on radar, but surface obs show some drizzle in the North Bay area and light rain and fog in Mount Shasta City. 2 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes have been observed in the past 24 hours through 0700 this morning east of Redding and Mount Shasta. Radar estimated and National Weather Service and RAWS rain gauge reports show some mostly non-wetting amounts, mainly from the northern San Francisco Bay area, northeastward along the western rim of the Sacramento Valley, and from Lake Shasta to the Mount Shasta region into Oregon. The 6E GEFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows strong southerly flow aloft and the deep cold low off of the Pacific Northwest coast. Strong southerlies continue today as the low slowly drifts southward and weakens slightly. A trough from the low pushes inland across northwest areas tonight, and then the rest of the low pushes eastward Friday as it also weakens. The upper level trough axis then moves across NorthOps Saturday with northwest flow behind it that continues through Sunday morning. Wind flow becomes westerly Sunday afternoon as a new low begins to build southward along the coast. This low pressure trough will deepen Monday as the center of it moves west of our coast, turning the flow to southerly. The low is likely to gradually weaken as it moves inland over or near the Bay Area Tuesday, progresses into the Sierras Wednesday, and then across SouthOps and into the Great Basin next Thursday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast shows breezy to locally windy southerly winds across the higher ridges and from the Cascades and Sierras northeastward this morning. Breezy to windy southerlies expand in area this afternoon, with 25 to 45% min RHs, mostly northeast of the Cascades and Sierras. Enhanced southerlies continue in portions of the area tonight, and southeast winds increase in the North Coast region early Friday morning. Friday, 20 to 40 mile per hour southeast through southwest gusts are likely across portions of the Sacramento Valley and from the Cascades and Sierras northeastward. Winds settle down and become mostly westerly Friday night through Saturday. The high-resolution NESL models stimulated reflectivity shows showers today, mainly east of coastal areas and from the northern and western Sacramento Valley and Mount Shasta area westward through early this afternoon. Late this afternoon through this evening, an impulse moves in from the coast and is likely to enhance the shower activity, possibly leading to some embedded thunderstorm potential across portions of the Northwest Mountains. Showers spread eastward tonight through Friday, with a couple of areas of organized precipitation moving across northwest areas. 6-hour precipitation type, mean sea level pressure, and thickness from the 0Z operational ECMWF beginning Friday afternoon also shows significant precipitation across northwest areas with some snowfall indicated above 7,000 feet. Friday night through Saturday morning, this precipitation spreads eastward from the northern Sacramento Valley and northern portions of the Sierras to Lassen. Some mostly light snowfall is indicated above about 5,500 foot elevations Saturday. A brief break in the precipitation with general northerly wind flow is suggested for Sunday, Rain and mountain snow then develops across northwest areas Monday morning, likely increasing in intensity Monday afternoon to evening. Snow levels could drop into the 3,500 to 4,500 foot range in the Mount Shasta area. Significant precipitation spread southeastward to the Bay Area later Monday through Tuesday. Yet another weather system may keep some areas of precipitation going into Wednesday and next Thursday. The CNRFC 6-day precipitation forecast in 24-hour increments shows significant wetting amounts of a quarter inch to as much as an inch across portions of the Northwest Mountains today through tonight. Friday to Friday night, more widespread wetting amounts are likely from the northern Sacramento Valley and Mount Shasta westward, and for most areas west of the Sacramento Valley. Lighter amounts are likely Saturday to Saturday night. Sunday to Sunday night, precipitation from the next weather system is likely to begin, with notably more significant half-inch or greater amounts expected across all except far northeast and eastern areas Monday through Monday night. Significant wetting precipitation is also forecast for Tuesday through Tuesday night. Here's a look at the 6-day total precipitation forecast through early Wednesday morning. NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows low risk today and Friday due to fairly strong southwest winds with low RH and dry, finer fuels across the far east side. SouthOps is forecasting little to no risk for the entire 7-day forecast period. In summary, strong low pressure moving southward west of the coast will bring gusty southerly winds with fairly low RH across the far east side today and Friday. Showers and a slight possibility of an embedded thunderstorm are expected today from the northern Bay Area and western Sac Valley to the Mount Shasta area with some wetting amounts. Significant wetting rainfall and some mountain snow is expected above 5,500 foot elevations, mainly tomorrow through Saturday. A stronger, wetter, and colder low pressure system is then likely to bring significant wetting precipitation to most and potentially all of the area Monday through Tuesday. This concludes today's fire weather webcast.